morning, Utah became the first state to officially declare pornography as a public health crisis. Governor Herbert signed the resolution along with another anti-pornography bill right at Capitol Hill.
That's where we find political specialist Lad Egan live this afternoon to explain these two pieces of legislation. Lad?
Good afternoon. Governor Herbert did sign those two pieces of legislation. One is a resolution, the other is a bill. And it is the resolution that says that pornography is a, quote, health crisis that's making national headlines. That resolution making national headlines, declaring pornography a public health crisis. It cites that pornography leads to a broad spectrum of individual and public health impacts and societal harms. National experts joined the governor in the Gold Room today to support that resolution.
Now, people can make a mockery of this, but the reality is that there's a public health crisis from pornography, and it's time to address it.
But there's enough research out there that suggests that pornography has a risk to it, that there's health consequences for young children, for young adults, for couples. And it's time to start having a conversation about those findings.
Turning now to the other piece of legislation, House Bill 155. The governor signed that, and it is more specific and does have enforcement muscle. It requires that computer technicians who find child pornography during their work need to report it to law enforcement, and it says that if someone fails to report that child pornography, it would be a Class B misdemeanor. House Bill 155 also says that internet service providers would not be liable as long as they report child pornography in compliance with specified federal law. A lot of national attention on specifically that resolution that says that pornography is a health crisis here in Utah. In fact, the sponsor of that bill says that he was mocked and scorned by a lot of websites around the world for introducing that piece of legislation. We'll stay on this story and be back at Live at 5 with more details. Back to you.
This issue certainly has gotten a lot of press. Lad Egan, live from the state capitol for us this afternoon. Lad, thanks.